guys, magkuwanta karon. Mag-video karon kay wa man ako friends ni ingon na ma-join ko nila pero kailan kang join nila? Bahala sila. Okay, what will we play? What will I play? What was that? What to play today? Wulhap or Truth Tower? Obviously, Wulhap. I love Wulhap. But there's a Wulhap. I need a Wulhap now. There's no Wulhap here. Why is it no Wulhap here? I need a Wulhap. I need a Wulhap right now. I need a Wulhap. Where's the Wulhap here? Wulhap. What is that? Easy to Wulhap to easy to hard Wulhap Abi. That's Abi. Ako sa kanya mong join. Kamu na sama na. Hard labi. Kung ako sama na joke la ako ni Reed boys. Short but big difficulty Wulhap Tower. I don't care. I don't care if it's difficulty. I'm already pro. Okay. I regret that. Basic. Is it's easy to get here? Kahapon naman to. I regret this. Try the short Too easy. Bakit mo di man kagmayang? Too easy naman bitaw. Too easy, pero try. The shortcut is difficult. You're dumb. There's really right there, but I don't want to short. What's a scene in this season? Diva dive. Utok ba ni? Utok ba? Ano ba ni? Salamat po. Ano siya kung ano na may baseball? Uy. Mga basic pero try. Please, I don't know. Finally, this hard one. Umag. I can only con once. I don't regret this. How? But how can you do this? How can you do this? But why isn't this not working? Hey, what up it? I died. I'm living. I'm sorry guys, I have to read. Your face reveal now. Why you talking of the face reveal in first time? I'm not camera. When you see this right now, I will record. Don't you dare look at my class. This is a video, dumb. Okay. Not this. What how to this video right now? What is this? Okay, how to do this? What is this? No! Oh, there you go. I'm gonna first read it. There you go. This is the Perseverance. This is me. And don't you dare ask me. I'm tired. I already freeze reborn. Done. Okay, sorry for that. because I'm really wanted. I be busted, bro. This is the face reading in my dog. Oh, I won. I leave every single I play. Many stars. Oh, sorry. Let's practice one. It's been 5 minutes in just 101 jumps. I call this jumps. Buski, babuski, bus. Ayaw ba? Masunod lang ka na ako. Antay na siya. Yun, kami noobs ha. Yung sa noobs mi di ay. Unsa man na. Unsa man na. He's very wrong. Ito lang pa. Cancel natin. Can I do this? I'm doing the hard one. Okay, you cannot do this. Yeah, look at that. Can you do that? Yeah. Are you trying this, huh? Try this, huh? That's pretty hard, huh? I'm trying. Di ka jud ka kay ganihan. Ka pero di ka di you recording a video in your corner. Okay, not this guy again. Stop being in the video. This is not your video, Tom. Bro, I can't. Bro, this is so easy to do it. Bro, I'm sorry, I didn't cut that. Bro, can I do this? Am I doing it? But I keep falling. No. Wait, I have to hold the camera very closely. It's fine. Come on. Let's do this. Bro's gonna just glass. Hello, glass. Oh. Pero namin nito. Sama na. Let's practice. Roller. What is this, command? Wait, I have command if you got it. Good. I would not give it a try. What? Why not give it a try with a ton of cool music waiting for you? What? This. Ang panit really. Nanaksalan mo. Ayan ba? Ari ba? Ari spawn. Nandiyan na nakakuno ka. Rose really dumb. Cannot wall hop. Ultimi yung mato sa video pero di ka jud kakuan sa video. Bro, I have to do it normal but my camera. Ano tayo ka, ha? Cheater ka, dude. Sammy. You're not serious, Sammy. You cannot do that. Cheater. Pantay ka na yun, bro. Di ka dyan, bro. Pantay. Funny love. Really try this one, okay? Bro, how to strike it clearly when I'm the line? Bro, there's camera, bro. Too easy. Everyone's squatting this one like it's ghost of gold. Yeah, say that, huh? Yan na, joke ka, pero di man ka kakamao. Hindi nga nakiyaw ako kay naman ko sa video. Ano naman ni? Nanahanap glitching man. Di ba kayo kita kaka-glitching? Dakan tawar ka glitching. Kaya rin man tawar ka tuwang. Kasi pwede na nabarang. Kasi natin mo, bossy. Bro, it's so laggy. I'm gonna quit. I'm not gonna quit, bro. I'm gonna quit for real.